Hi, I'm Em. We're going to take 5 minutes for you. So please find a quiet place, grab a stool or a chair if you can, and come and join me. So we're going to take 5 minutes out now. As you can see, I've got a stool here, so I want you to find yourself a chair or a stool that you can pop your legs up onto. And I'm going to advise you to shuffle up really close to it. I've also got a cushion here to rest my head on, which is really nice too. And if you swing your legs up, just try and get as close to the chair or the stool as you can, so your knees are just resting quite comfortably. And then lower yourself down onto the floor or your mat, using your arms. Make your head comfortable. And if you're in this position and your low back is giving you a bit of discomfort, you might like to fold up a blanket or a towel and place it around the lumbar spine area, just to give you a little bit more support and comfort. All right, adjust your shoulders. So maybe pick them up and then allow them to rest down to the earth. And if you rest your hands so the back of the hands are on the earth now and your palms are facing up, it's a nice open position to be laying in. And we're already going to start slowing down our breath here. Slowing down your inhalation and slowing down your exhalation. So hopefully already we're bringing down that heart rate. And if you haven't done so already, I'm going to ask you to close down the eyes here. Now this is a version of, I guess we can have legs up the wall. We can sit close to a wall and do a posture similar to this. It's also similar to Stonehenge posture that I do in class with the bolsters and the blocks. And it allows us to feel a lightness in the legs. So I want you to feel that you are completely supported by your prop, by your chair or stool, and by the earth. So if you're kind of gripping on with your legs, see if you can adjust yourself now so that you can let go of tension. Make any final adjustments, and we're going to settle into a stillness here. I'm going to invite you to relax your eyes in the sockets, relax your jaw now. Relax your tongue and your throat. And scan down to the shoulders, and once again see if you can let go just 5% more any tension you're holding on to. And now focus on that grounded feeling of all the parts of your body in contact with the earth. Really feel into those parts of the body. And let yourself be held here by your props, by the earth. And now I'm going to bring your attention to your legs. So notice the sensation in your legs. Notice if you're still gripping or holding on. See if you can let go. Relax your belly. Relax the legs. Noticing any feelings, any sensations in the legs, any feeling of lightness. And at the same time, a grounded feeling in the body that's in contact with the earth. And you can leave your hands where they are or bring your hands to your belly. Focus on your breath. Take 3 slow rounds of breath with me now. Slowly inhaling, really fill up. And a slow exhalation. Noticing the body contract. And as you're ready, breathing in, feeling the body expand into your hands, and slowly exhaling, letting go of any tension. And we've got one last round of breath here. So breathing in nice and slow, and breathing out just as slowly. Take a moment here to notice any feelings of calm that you have cultivated through this short practice. And then just bring a little bit of sensation back into your body. You're welcome to stay here a little longer if you've got the time and you'd like to, but otherwise move your hands, move your toes, and start to stretch the body however feels good. And then bring your hands to the earth and use your forearms and your hands to help you come down as gracefully as you can from your chair or your stool. Thank you for joining me. I hope you continue to carry that peaceful and calm feeling inside. Namaste.